boys and girls. So we are going to do a lot with fact families this week. So you're going to see a lot of papers like this. So the easy part is that you already know the whole, and you have to find that you already have the two parts as well. So all you have to do is put them where they go. So on the addition problems, the parts come first. So we're going to write 2 plus 5 equals 7. Now all we do is flip the parts around. So it becomes 5 plus 2 is 7. Then on the subtraction problems, we write the whole first. So write the 7. And then we just write the 2 and then the 5. And then on the last one, we're just going to flip it and put 5 and then 2. So make sure that you have all of those parts in the right place. So let's look at this second one. Will you circle the whole, the biggest number? Yeah, this is the whole. It's the biggest number. So if we think about it, 3 plus 2 equals 5, correct? So let's write that equation. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Then all I'm going to do is flip the numbers, and I'm going to write 2 plus 3 equals 5. So those are the two addition problems. Now I'm going to put the whole first. So I'm going to write the 5s here and here. And then I'm going to put the parts where they go. So I'm going to put 2 and then 3, 3, and then 2. So double check and make sure that that is correct. And then let's go to the next one. So if you look at the numbers 1, 7, and 8, which one is the whole, the biggest number? It's going to be 8. So let's use our two parts to make an addition problem. So 1 plus 7 equals 8. Then I'm going to flip those numbers, and I'm going to write 7 plus 1 is 8. Now I'm going to put my whole first, because when we subtract, the biggest number comes first. So we put 8 here, and then I put the other 8 here, and then I just put my 7, and then 1, and then 1, and then 7. So on this last one, I'm going to have you try it, and then we are going to correct it together. So if you look at 4, 5, and 9, please circle the whole. Yep, the whole is 9. So now, what two parts are you going to put first? Let's see if you can try it. Yeah, we're going to put 4 plus 5 equals 9. So what would the second part of our problem be? Yeah, it would be 5 plus 4 equals 9. Okay, now let's go on to the second part, which is putting the whole first. So we have the 9s and the 9s, and then all we have to do is fill in our parts. 5 and 4, and then 4 and 5. So we have all of those fact families done. Good job, boys and girls. Okay, let's look at the back. So this is math fact practice, and all it is adding by 1. So when you add by 1, you find the bigger number on the number chart and just go to the next number. So this one is going to be 4. So 6 plus 1, we find 6, and we just hop one spot. That's going to be 7. 9 plus 1 is going to be 10. So I want you to finish the rest of this on your own, and then when you're finished, put it in the basket and start on Dream Box.